Now here's one of our most beautiful ladybirds and our largest ladybird. This is an Artis ocellana, the eyed ladybird. It's a real beauty of a thing, and it ranges in colour from this sort of chestnut brown, which indicates that it's not long emerged from the pupa, to quite a dark red. But it's a beautiful ladybird. It's a pine feeding specialist, and you're probably all thinking now, well, what's it doing sat on a nettle leaf? But I can tell you, this nettle leaf is directly below a number of young pines. And say it's our largest ladybird. It's a good sort of 10 millimeters in length from head to the end of the elytra. Some females may be a mil or so larger, and it's a quite beautiful thing. Not often they sit still like this. This one's thinking of going for another meal, and it's certainly showing us its best features. What a cracking thing. Absolutely beautiful. And seen from above, this really is quite beautiful ladybird. So the ground colour can vary from a light chestnut like this, which they all are when they emerge from the chrysalis, and then they will probably all darken off to a certain degree and go redder as they age. The black spots are outlined in a creamy colour, which makes this very distinctive. They don't all have that outline to the spotting on the elytra. And it's a lovely thing. This one appears to be sorting its landing gear and legs and everything out. May just have landed on this nettle leaf in the last hour or so, but it's a beauty of a ladybird, and one you may come across.